Sallu ala al-Habib, sallallahu ta'ala ala Muhammad, sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wasallam. Once 30 non-Muslims came to Shaykh Abdul Qadir Jilani rahmatullahi ta'ala alayh and accepted Islam at his hands in the gathering where he delivered a speech. They went on to say that they were Christians of a region in the West and that they had intended on accepting Islam. However, they were in doubt as to where they should go to accept Islam. It was at this point they heard a voice from the unseen. O successful group, go to Baghdad and accept Islam at the hands of Shaykh Abdul Qadir, because the virtue of his blessings you will be granted an iman that will not be given to you elsewhere. Sallu ala al-Habib, sallallahu ta'ala ala Muhammad, sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wasallam.